Hey. This is Illicit with another rip, hopping on the hype. Lucky and blessed, I was able to get this ETV, well actually two of them, on retail price, MSRP. So, just gotta take your luck. I just, I really want to see what I can get. I've seen a lot of videos. Not everything's great, but, that's how it is, these pull rates, and that's how it is with those chase cards, right? So let's go ahead and open this one up. And may the blessing of Arceus, touching up good luck, be with us. Go ahead and just turn this on a quick cut over here on the right. No going back now. It's open. It is open. Okay. Well, we all know what the ETVs come with. Little player's guide. Put that to the side. I'm really just focused about the goodies. Something I gotta say is I'm loving this. Loving this effect. This is really freaking awesome. Rainbow. It's cool. Prismatic evolutions. Usual stuff. We're in case. And let's see here. Promo card. Beautiful card. Awesome sleeve as well. Love that finish in the sleeves. Energy cards. And here they are, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 packs. Okay. I believe the trick in this one is 1 to 10, right? I saw the other day in TikTok, dude pulled up a god pack on his first try. It was insane. Alright, basic energy, execute, very skill, unsparse, black belt training, sweet coon, art, on. Ace back, hey, first pass magic, nice.
Okay.
There's black belt training. And okie dokie. Okay. Hey, got an ace pack on the first pack. That's good. What do you guys think about all the hype and everything that's going on? I mean, I believe everything is going to calm down after a little bit. The people who just join to try to get a couple bucks for these cards are probably going to hop off soon, noticing that it's not so easy. And I hope it just, gets easier, gets nicer for everyone who actually really does collect. So here we go. Basic energy. Cloak. Duraludon. Professor's Research. Hippo Down. Janine's Secret Art. Regigigas. Lacey. Reverse Pupitar. Execute.
Oh no!
Unsparse. Funny story, I actually had a Japanese pack opening somewhere there, and I have it also. I don't know where it is.
Okay.
But I also pulled this one in Holland. Japanese version, so cool stuff. Basic energy. Hondu. Professor's Research. Applin. Goldine. Nice heart, by the way. Techno Radar. Diplin. Oh, spoilers there. Earthen Vessel. Pokeball Briar.
Yeah.
Good. Milk Tank. Yeah.
Yeah.
Noctowl. Pokeball Briar. I have my hopes up. You know, trying to get something. Trying to get something good. But I'm just really happy overall. I was able to actually pull or get this set and a second one, you know, until a price up. With everything that went down, I'm really happy with the people, with my provider. Because it's awesome that he was just able to pull through a little money and get it at a great price, honestly. Bronzor. Hot Lucia. Techno Radar. Festival Grounds. Vaporeon. Nice, nice, nice. Exeggutor. Jolteon Hollow. Nice. Okay, we're getting evolutions. Maybe not the ones we're looking for. Obviously, we're all behind the chase, right? We're all in the hunt, so. Remember back in the day where the hollows were like it, you know? Getting a Jolteon hollow back in the day. That would have been a party. Oh. Hollow Basic Energy. Rose Stick. Fan Rotom. Ooh. Berry. Heatran. Oh. I keep spoiling myself. I feel like I'm a new kid. Reverses Turos. And Pokeball Drippy. Just love. I hope you can see it. I just love it, how it looks. Noctowl in reverse, nice. And Leafeon. So, hey, look at that. Getting the evolutions there. I'm going to put them over here. I mean, yeah, they're not heavy hitters. We got the reverse hollows as well. And I think that was it, right? I didn't get another evolution. I don't know. Forgot. Let's see. Let's continue. I really would love to get a God Pack, but I know my luck in this. I know my luck. I've never had good luck, so. Basic Energy, Furfrou, Larvitar, Neri, Professor's Research, Great Tusk, Carmine, Professor Sada's Vitality, Pyroar Reverse, Whimsicott Reverse, and Flareon. There we go. Look at that. There was this page on TikTok that I remember that would go, hollows are hits. Hollows are hits. And yeah, you know what? They are. For myself, I am collecting them. So, at the end of the day, right? Guess maybe not going to the super binder, but it's going to the binder. Is it just me? I really just try to keep, like, from every single expansion I open one from, I try to save a booster. I don't know why. I like doing that. So I try to, like, open them the best I can, and the best conserved one is the one I keep. It's dumb, but, you know. Drippy. Milk Tank. Yellow. That's a nice art. It's really nice art right there. Aromatisse. Shaman. Org's Mask. Spoiling myself again. Kieran. And a Pokeball Fan Rotom. Provides vitality. Oh, that's actually nice.
Wow.
And there we go. Hey. And take a full trainer art. Best hit so far. Best hit so far. Can't complain, can't complain. All right, down to the last two. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what we got. No, I'm actually not going to break it. I'm going to do this. That can serve itself nicely. Oh. Basic Energy. Pinsir. Black Belt's Training. Do. Pupitar. Suicune again. Bronzong. Argus Mask. Lopunny Reverse. Friends in Paldea. And Vaporeon, there we go. We got the evolutions in Hollow. Hey, we got the evolutions in Hollow. I should probably sleeve this guy up. Cool. Last pack. Last pack magic. Come on. Come on. Give me something. Throw me a bone here. Alright. Psychic Energy. Noibat. Black Belt's Training. Dusclops. Hippopotas. Slowking. Buddy Buddy's Puffin. Bug Catching Set. Applin. Prismatic Code Breaking. And oh, hey. Leafeon EX. There we go. Thank you all for watching this. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chase. It's all good. It's part of life. But at least we can take this. Some good hits, some good hits. And we got the Hollows Evolutions, which isn't so horrible. As well as we got the A-Spec, Max Rod. But yeah, thank you all for watching.
Bye-bye.